Okay, well, let's walk back here, I guess. Yeah, you can see it's quite a... Ooh, my goodness. Pretty wild. Well, once I get inside, that will be it. I'll be inside for tonight. Not coming out into this again. Oh, my goodness. Crazy. Crazy. Oh, this is a good old-fashioned winter storm. Took winter a long time to get here, but now that it's here, it's here. I'll tell you. My goodness. Alrighty. Well. Alrighty. Well, I got my mail that I was expecting. Anyway, let me go inside here. Oh, it's going to be dark in here. Things are going to get real dark. Just to let you know. Okay, but we'll fix that in a minute. My glasses are fogging up now. There we go. Okay, I'll turn on the light here. How do you like my eerie red glow? I could be a character from a horror film with this lighting. That's from the heater. There's Rocky over there. You probably can't see him though. There we go. Alright. There he is. I don't know if you can see him or not. I'll move the phone around. Maybe you'll catch a glimpse of him. Alright. Anyway. That's it for me. I'm in for the night now. There's no more running around out there. No more gallivanting around playing in the snow for me. My goodness. Oh. Alrighty. Well, it's 8:30 p.m. And the storm is really... Yeah, anyway. We'll close up the door there. We'll make sure that's closed up good. It's nice in here, actually. This heater's doing an amazing job tonight. I'll give it credit. It can be temperamental at times, and sometimes I get mad at it, but it's a real blessing tonight, I'll tell you, and it's actually doing pretty well. But I'm going to put up the, it's windy out there too, so it tends to be, this camper tends to be pretty uncomfortable when it's windy, so I gotta find the, there we go, okay, there we go now. A little more light on the situation here. But yeah, this camper isn't very comfortable when it's windy, so, but tonight it ain't bad. I'm still going to put up my my thingamajigger here though. Alright, there's no reason whatsoever for me to go outside tonight again, unless I'm some sort of a sick, twisted person who loves pain, and there's no reason for me to go out again. There we go, there's my Rocky. Hey Rocky. Rocky. Hi. Say hello to the people. Can they see you? I can't tell if they can see you or not. Because I got the phone turned away from me and I can only see what's on the screen if it's facing me. Because when I have the camera pointing towards myself like this, then I can't see the same. This is always a pain to get into place, but it's well worth it. It's well worth it to keep the cold air from blowing in here. There we go. Hey, there we go. Hey, there you go. We'll turn this light off here. All right. Hey. Okay, here's Rocky and I. There he is. He's got his wet food there. He loves his wet food. He does. There he is having some wet food. Anyway, I gotta get ready here. I'm gonna take my coat and my hat off and everything, and I'm gonna get ready to go to bed. And anyway, we'll talk to you guys a little later. Rocky and I will. Bye for now.